Welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my face, this is OGOM'S series, a Nigerian-based YouTuber in Abuja. So today I'll be telling you how I got my first viral video, how I got my first 1 million views on my video, and how you can get your first viral video on YouTube. So it's gonna be a combination of a masterclass and how much YouTube paid me for my first 1 million views on YouTube. So if it's a video that you would love to watch, keep watching, and you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe. So let's get right into the video. Welcome back, guys. So I got my first 1 million views on YouTube. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. So I'll be showing you a picture here or here, wherever. So my first 1 million views on YouTube came from my shorts, and my long video of 1 million is still loading. If you want to know where it's coming from, go down my channel, scroll through, you will see it. Some people will say she's bragging. Now, let me brag. It's a brag of my hard work. Now, me do am. Now, me and me alone did it. So, I got my first 1 million views from my shorts. And I always tell people, don't underestimate the power of shorts. Do not underestimate the power of shorts. Shorts can give your channel the visibility that you need. Shorts can give your channel the visibility that you have been trying to get for so many years of hard work on YouTube. Shorts can give you that. Do you know that with shorts you can get your first 1,000 subscribers on shorts? Do you know that with creating shorts you can get your 4,000 public watch hour? Yes, shorts can give you all this. Just one video on shorts can give you your 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. And you'll be asking, where have I been all my life that I'm not creating shorts? So shorts gave me my 1 million views. So I made the video on this particular shorts. Is this video of where I was doing workout? This this Chinese workout that was raining then. So I did that particular workout out of, okay, let me just create shorts. And that particular short gave me 328 subscribers at the very first month, or the second month that I created. I won't say second month, the first very month that I created that short. It gave me 328 subscribers just from one video, including the watch hour that I also need. So if you're not creating shorts on your channel, start creating shorts. So I'm going to give you a comparison, or I'll be attaching the video, this particular short. I did a video about it, how it was doing last year and how it's doing this year, okay? From last year, I will show you the picture of how it was doing last year, and this year I will also show you a picture. So I got my first 1 million views on YouTube from my shorts, which is this particular workout. So I'll be showing you how these shorts did, okay? Now, let's not forget that you are going to be creating short video and long video. You creating long videos on YouTube, make sure they are 8-minute video. But don't come and do 8-minute video that don't have sense and say that you want to create a long video. Create reasonable long 8-minute video. Why you should always create a long minutes video, that is 8 minutes video at least, is so that you'll be able to add ads in between your videos when you get monetized. Because if your videos are usually like 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 5 minutes, you won't be able to put ads in between it when you get monetized. Ads will only be played at the beginning of the video and at the ending of the video, for which people might skip the beginning of the ad so that you'll be able to watch your video, and they will not even stay to the end to watch the ads that was put in the end. So try as much as possible to create value added long minutes video. Please don't come and be showing like this and come and do 8 minutes video for us and say it's because I told you to come and create long minutes video. So let's get right into the video and how much YouTube paid me for this particular video. Okay, now let's get right into it. So I'll be showing you my laptop right now, and I will explain everything that is going on in this particular shot. So let's do this. So guys, we'll be working with our laptop right now, and I'll be going to our YouTube, which will help me to access our YouTube studio to show you what I'm talking about this particular shot. So you'll be allowing it to load. I'll doing so when it finished loading, it's going to bring out your home page on YouTube, which will be showing your name there. Yes, and you'll be clicking on your picture, which shows there. So you'll be going down to your YouTube studio. So by the right hand side, you are going to see your channel, purchases and membership, YouTube studio, switch accounts, sign out, blah blah blah, all the things that you're going to see here. And we'll be clicking on our YouTube studio. Okay, now when you click on your YouTube studio, you are going to allow it to load, which it's loading there. So now this has finished loading, and this is my channel dashboard. Okay, now here you are going to get important notification from YouTube. Maybe you have received a copyright claim on your video, maybe you want to learn more about YouTube. Everything that you need to know about YouTube will be shown here on your channel dashboard, your channel analytics, and we'll be going here. So when you come here, this is your dashboard, and this is the content that you have created, and this is your playlist. I still said I was going to make a video on how to create a playlist. So this is your playlist, this is your analytics, this is your comments, maybe comments that you haven't replied to, this is your subtitle, this is your copyright. This copyright tells you if you have a copyright claim on your video. This is your monetization. This is where you come to put your monetization, ads and the rest of them, and so on, that is going on here. And if you're scrolling down, you are going to see more things that is happening right here. So when we scroll down, you are going to see published video, your top videos, your summary, your latest comments. All these sites are ideas for you. Maybe YouTube Academy, for which you can learn more about YouTube or how to grow your channel. Okay, so these are my top videos of my channel and how many views that they've had. And clicking on all this, you're going to see your channel analytics. So but we are going to go to my channel analytics, which I'll be clicking here. Click on your analytics and allow it to load. So whenever you click on your channel analytics, it's going to bring out this overview, your reach, your engagements, your audience, and your revenue. And it's going to tell you everything that is going on your channel, how many views that you have had so far, your watch time, your subscribers, your estimated revenue. So when you're clicking on all this, YouTube is kind of like bringing out learn more, what you need to learn about watch hour, what you need to learn about your subscribers and your revenue. Now we are scrolling down. When you scroll down, you are still going to see your top videos on your channel and how it's doing actually. So I'm going to click on my contents. So when you scroll down, this is the video that I'm talking about, how to get rid of belly fat in 10 minutes. And this video was created on 20th July 2021. That was when I created this video, and we are going to click on it. Okay, and clicking on it, you're having voila, this video has had 1.4 million views, 6.0k watch hour, and it has given me 2,600 subscribers from it. And you can see no revenue. I was given a copyright claim on this video by the Chinese woman, and I'm taking a risk of not removing this particular sound on it because it's the sound that is actually attracting people to watch this particular video. And if I click on this video right now, please, I don't want to get a copyright claim on this video again. So this video so far so good has given me 1.4 million views, and if you're checking here, it's going to show you how many people that this particular video reached, your impression click-through rate, and you're having here the performance of that particular video. And if you click here, right from the day that I uploaded this video, which was on the 20th, on the 21st, I have 1,700 views. And from that 21st to that July, the views kept rising, 5,000, 6,000, 8,000, 12,000, and it kept rising from that 2021 to this 2022, and right now it's on 1.4 million, which is 2022. So as you can see, this video actually is doing well. And the engagement so far, if you're clicking on your engagement, is going to show you the watch time and the average duration for which people watch this particular video. Okay, now if you're trying to check on the performance from the 21st of July, it had only 2.5 watch time, and on the 28th of July it had 34 this thing, and 30th July it had so many things that were going on, because the more the video lingers, the more you'll be getting more watch time from it. And so far so good. This video has given me 6.0k view, that is 6,000 views, 6,000 watch hour. What am I saying? It has given me 6,000 watch hour right from 2021 to this 2022. It has given me 6,000 watch hour, and the average duration for which people watched it is 0.15 seconds. And if you're clicking on your audience, it has given me 2.6k subscribers from this video. So right from the time that I posted this video on the 20th of July 2021, it gave me returning people that are coming to watch this video was the returning viewers who had watched your channel previously and also returned to watch this video. And look at all the subscribers that it has given me. It kept giving me subscribers and it kept rising. Like, my God. But what is paining me is that I didn't get any revenue from this video. That is what is paining me. You can see your estimated revenue, it's nothing. You can see your RPN is nothing. You can see your playback based TPN is nothing. So this video gave me no revenue because I got a copyright claim from this particular video. So what is this video telling us? Okay, it didn't stop me from creating my shorts, okay, and I'm being scared of removing this particular sound from this video so that I don't lose the subscribers or losing the audience that is actually giving to my channel. Okay, I've had so far 2,600 people subscribe to my channel through this particular shorts, and I've gotten 6,000 watch hour from this particular shorts, and I've had 1.4 million views from this particular shorts. So what is it telling you? Why are you not creating your shorts? Irrespective of you not getting any revenue from your shorts, it gives you that visibility that you need. It gives you that visibility that you need. I'm going to drop a video of this particular shorts last year so that you will watch how this video was doing last year and compare it to what I've shown you right now. So get started with creating your shorts. I also have testimonies of people sending me WhatsApp messages about how they have created their shorts and how many subscribers that they have gotten from it. Even if it's a small shorts, are just 16 seconds video for which you can create. Okay, create reasonable content. Even if it's a trend, even if it's a challenge that is going on, create it and post. Okay, but don't forget to create your long minutes video. It didn't stop me from creating my long minutes video. I also have a video that is going viral right now, and I will also do a video about it so that you will see how this particular long video is doing. So fingers crossed, I am praying for another viral video on my channel. At least let me have a long 8-minute video that has gone viral. At least let me have my 2 million views on a long video. Now, the lesson on this video is do not give hope. Do not get discouraged on anything. Okay, some people have this mentality that I'm getting the things that I'm getting on my channel because of the people that I mingle with or because of the people that I know. But all the people that I know that are also putting in their hard work to make their channel grow. So, like they say, nobody can get you to where you are except yourself, okay? Nobody can push your business where it needs to be except yourself. So, I am making my own efforts. I am putting in my own hard work to get my channel where it needs to be. I don't need to wait for someone to come and do all these things for me. So, keep pushing on your channel. Create your shorts, okay? Create your shorts. You can't tell me that you creating your shorts that you can't get even one subscriber from it. That one subscriber, I can remember the days for which I have stayed. Some days I will get 1 subscriber. In some days I will get 2 subscribers. And I was appreciative of it, because if you're making a video and you're seeing like 5 views, that means 5 people saw that views. 5 people saw that video. Same goes to when we make our post on Facebook and we're getting 1 like, 2 like. That means someone actually saw that particular post. So the more you're creating your post, from one video, from one like, it goes to 2 likes. From 3 likes, it goes to 10 likes. So create your shorts today. Do not get discouraged. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Okay, I have this channel that I reviewed, which is Happy Can Braids. I'll be attaching her name anywhere. So she normally creates short videos where she's braiding or where she's sewing. Where she's braiding and where she's sewing. Okay, and she complained that she has gotten to her 4,000 watch hour, but she hasn't gotten 1,000 subscribers. And I told her, why don't you create shorts? Because your videos are kind of like relaxing for people to watch. It's just the same thing as where all these oibos are popping pimple and people are watching it. So you making that sewing is kind of like will attract people to subscribe to your channel through your shorts. And she came back and told me that the particular shorts that she created, she got at least, even if it's 3 or 4 subscribers from there, that she's happy. So the more she's creating her shorts and creating her long videos, the more she will get to her 1,000 subscribers. So get started today. If this is a video that you can relate with, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share any of my videos if you like any, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.